Okay, I am not at all a makeup artist or a makeup aficionado even, but I am pretty proud of myself for putting this look together. So, yeah, if you want to kind of transform yourself into a Beetlejuice, Süß means sweet in German, so it still kind of makes sense, I guess, then, here's how I did it.
First, just grab some of that super cheap Halloween makeup from like the dollar store and cover your whole face with it. Then grab some also super cheap silvery white highlighter and put it on top of the makeup to help set it. Then you want some more cheapy dollar store eyeshadow that has blues and purples in it, and just kind of put it all around your eyes, make yourself look dead and tired, and then add some black or dark gray to add to the dead look. Put some on your eyebrows if you want to. Then simply grab a thick black liner, put it all around your eyes, does not have to be neat at all, and then smudge it around, make it super messy looking. And of course, if you want to, curl those lashes and add a couple coats of your favorite black mascara. Next, we're going to grab a blue eyeliner and, line our lips, and then fill them in with more blue liner. I also had this purple lipstick, so I thought that might be fun. And my hair, well, it gets teased and teased and teased into a kind of pompadour, and then I just sprayed it with some cheapy green hairspray, again, I think from the dollar store. Next, grab some washable, non-toxic white school glue and some craft moss, and then just pop some of the school glue onto your forehead, your cheeks, wherever you want, and gently attach the craft moss, and you are now undead. Then pop on all of your stripy thrift scores and have a spooktacular Halloween.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.